everyone, I'm Margaret and welcome to Deliciously Sweet and Savory. Today I'm going to show you how to make Sopa de Pollo, a Cuban-style chicken soup. This soup is packed with flavor and fideos, which are the noodle of choice for this recipe. I love having this soup on cold days or whenever I'm sick because it is incredibly simple to make, yet tastes amazing and is so satisfying to eat. So let's get started. For this recipe, you need 4 pounds of chicken. I used chicken leg quarters, but you can include chicken breast as well. Keep in mind, if you use all chicken breast, the soup will have a weak flavor, so I suggest including a few chicken thighs or legs with the split chicken breast when making this soup. You also need water, garlic powder, salt, saffron, cumin, onion, green pepper, red pepper, and fideos. I use angel hair fideos, but any type of fideo will work with this recipe. First, cut the onions in half, then cut into slices 1/8 of an inch thick. Then take the red and green pepper and cut them into 1/8 inch slices. Next, add the chicken to your pot of water. Then add the onions, red and green peppers, salt, garlic powder, saffron, and cumin. Then give it a good stir. Now place the pot on the stove and bring to a boil on high heat with the pot covered with the lid. Once boiling, let the soup boil for 7 minutes on high heat. Then reduce the heat to medium and cook for 1 hour and 20 minutes. After cooking for 1 hour and 20 minutes, add in the fideos. You'll want to crush the fideo nests with your hands, so the noodles become roughly 2-inch pieces. You can add them in as I'm doing here, by crushing them with your hands right over the pot. Or you can crush the fideos in the bag they come in and dump them in the pot. Let the soup cook for another 10 minutes until the noodles are tender. Once finished cooking, the soup is ready to serve. The soup should have a beautiful yellow color from the saffron with an amazing flavor from the combination of the chicken, saffron, cumin, garlic powder, salt, green and red peppers, and onions. And the chicken will be extremely moist and fall apart tender. The soup can be served as is or with a scoop of white rice. And the chicken can be served whole with the soup, broken up into pieces and put in the soup, or made into croquettes or fried chicken. This is an extremely versatile recipe that has a number of other recipes that derive from it, which allows it to be more than just a soup. However, by itself, the soup is extremely flavorful with chicken that is fall-apart tender. Moreover, it's incredibly simple to make. You just put the ingredients in a pot and let them cook. And in 1.5 hours, you have a robustly flavored soup that makes for a satisfying meal. So have fun giving this recipe a try. For more recipes like this one, visit my website, which also has the written recipes and ingredient amounts. You can also follow my channel. I'd like to take a moment to thank my patrons for their support. If you'd like to become a patron to support my channel, visit my Patreon page. Also, if there are any recipes, Cuban or otherwise, that you'd like to see, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you soon with another recipe.